The Charles Schwab Platinum Card from American Express offers premium travel perks and a unique perk: the ability to cash out membership rewards points into your Schwab account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This is a co-branded Amex card. You apply through American Express. Once approved, you link it to your eligible Schwab brokerage account. You earn Amex membership rewards points on spending. The key Schwab-specific benefit is the Invest with Rewards feature, letting you convert points into cash deposited into your linked Schwab account at a rate of 1.1 cents per point. My crucial pro tip: maximize the transfer for premium redemptions. While the 1.1 cent cash out is solid, you can often get higher value by transferring points to Amex's airline partners for international business class flights. Use the cash out option for points that don't fit your travel plans. Combine premium travel benefits with direct investment funding. Do you value flexible travel points or straightforward cashback more? For more guides on premium credit cards, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.